In the spring of 2025, a dad in Toronto sat down at his kitchen table at 11 p.m. His kids were asleep, his wife was asleep, and he was staring at a spreadsheet trying to figure out how, after 20 years of doing everything right, he was somehow still one bad month away from being in serious trouble. He had a good job, a decent salary, he was saving what he could, but groceries had gone up, his mortgage renewal had gone up. The company he worked for had just announced a restructuring, and his investment account, the one he'd been carefully building for a decade, had just lost 18% in 2 months. He hadn't done anything wrong, the world had just quietly shifted underneath him. That story isn't unique. Millions of people right now are feeling exactly that, this unsettling sense that the rules they built their financial life around are no longer working. And in this video, I'm going to show you why that's happening, the real data-backed reason that most news channels won't explain clearly. And then I'm going to show you exactly what the people who are thriving right now are doing differently. But here's what I really want you to pay attention to. About 8 minutes into this video, I'm going to share something specific, a 3-stream system that doesn't require a big investment, doesn't require you to quit your job, and works especially well in an economy that's under pressure. So stay with me. This one is worth your full attention. To understand where we are, I need to take you back just a little bit. For most of the last 30 years, the world operated on a kind of gentleman's agreement. Countries traded freely with each other. Goods crossed borders with minimal taxes. Supply chains stretched across continents. A phone designed in California, built with materials from Africa, assembled in China and sold in Canada. It wasn't perfect, but it kept prices low, kept goods moving, and kept economies growing. Then, starting in 2025, that agreement began to unravel. The United States, the world's largest economy, began imposing sweeping tariffs on imports, taxes on foreign goods, and not small taxes. The average U.S. tariff rate went from 2.4% in 2024 to over 10% by early 2026, the highest level since 1947, since before most of our parents were born. Other countries didn't just sit there. China pushed back. The European Union pushed back. Canada pushed back. Suddenly, everyone was taxing everyone. Supply chains were fracturing, and the cost of running a business, any business, was climbing fast. The World Economic Forum, which advises the most powerful governments and companies on the planet, released their Global Risks Report and said this clearly. The number one threat to global stability in 2026 is not a war. It is not a pandemic. It is an economic confrontation. And the reason that's scary is simple. Wars happen somewhere. Economic disruption happens everywhere. Now let me give you the numbers, because this is where it goes from an interesting news story to something that is directly about your life. When the U.S. announced its so-called Liberation Day tariff package, global stock markets lost $5.4 trillion in market value in just 2 days. Not 2 months, 2 days. The U.S. dollar, long considered the world's safe haven currency, fell to a 3-year low. The UN issued a forecast slashing global growth projections. Global trade growth is expected to fall from 3.8% last year to just 2.2% this year. And perhaps most alarming, major financial institutions are now putting the probability of a U.S. recession in 2026 at 40 to 45%. Now here's the question nobody is asking loudly enough. What happens to your income in a recession? Not theoretically. Your income, your salary, your employer's budget, the industry you work in. Because here's what recessions do quietly before they make headlines. Companies stop growing, budgets get cut, hiring freezes happen, and then, slowly, then all at once, layoffs begin. The people who get hit hardest are always the same. The ones with one income stream, no financial buffer, and no backup plan. And I want to be honest with you, that is the situation most hardworking, responsible people find themselves in. Not because they were careless, but because no one ever told them the rules were about to change. But here's the thing, and this is the part I really want you to hear. Economic chaos doesn't destroy everyone equally. It separates people. It pulls apart those who were building resilience quietly and those who were just hoping stability would last forever. So let me show you what the resilient ones are doing. Real quick, if you're finding this valuable and this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribe button right now, because everything we do here at Income Stack Lab is built around one idea: helping busy people like you build income resilience using AI tools and simple systems without the hype. You're going to want to be here for what's coming next. Now, let's keep going. I want to tell you about a different kind of person. Same economy, same tariffs, same scary headlines, but a completely different experience. This person, maybe a teacher, maybe a marketer, maybe an accountant, decided 2 years ago to stop depending on a single income, not because they were pessimistic, because they were strategic. They started small, a blog on the weekends, then a simple digital product, then a faceless YouTube channel. None of it replaced their job overnight, but slowly, steadily, they built what I call an income stack, multiple streams that work together, mostly on autopilot. And when the economy started shaking in 2025 and 2026, their stack kept flowing. Because digital income doesn't get hit by tariffs. It doesn't depend on supply chains. It doesn't disappear when a company restructures. Here's what an income stack looks like in practice, and I'm going to give you the exact 3 layers. The first one is the affiliate blog. A niche blog, focused on topics like personal finance, AI tools, or side hustles, earns through Google AdSense and affiliate commissions around the clock. With AI writing tools like Jasper or WriteSonic, you can produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content in hours instead of days. The key is picking a niche where people are urgently searching for answers right now. And trust me, how to recession-proof my finances is getting searched millions of times a month. One article ranking on Google can earn you passive income for years. That's leverage. The second layer is the faceless YouTube channel. You don't need your face. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need a perfect voice. With AI voiceover tools, free stock footage, and screen recordings, you can build a YouTube channel in a profitable niche: finance, AI tools, productivity, and earn from ads, affiliate links, and eventually sponsorships. Finance and make money online channels are among the highest paying niches on YouTube in terms of advertiser dollars per view. And in an economy where people are scared and searching for answers, your content becomes more valuable, not less. The third layer is the digital products, and this is the highest margin, most scalable layer of your stack. A simple digital product, a budget template, an income stack planner, a beginner guide, a mini course, costs nothing to ship and can be sold to thousands of people simultaneously. Platforms like Gumroad or StanStore let you set this up in a single afternoon. The beauty of this layer is that it's directly tied to the moment we're in. People are desperate for practical tools to manage their money and build backup income right now. If you create that tool, you're solving a real problem and getting paid for it every time someone downloads it. Now here's what makes all 3 of these a system instead of 3 side jobs. Automation. Tools like Make.com and Zapier let you connect everything. Blog posts get shared automatically. Your email list gets nurtured automatically. Product delivery is automatic. You're not adding hours to your week. You're building a machine that runs while you live your life. Remember that dad I told you about at the beginning of this video? Sitting at his kitchen table, staring at a spreadsheet at 11 p.m.? Here's how his story ends, because it's still being written. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't find a magic app. He just made one decision: to stop waiting for the economy to cooperate and to start building something that didn't need it to. He started a blog on the weekends. It made $47 in the first month, then $180, then $400. He added a digital product, a simple monthly budget template, then a YouTube channel. Each stream was small on its own, but together, 6 months in, he had an extra $1,200 a month flowing in outside of his job. Not life-changing overnight, but life-changing in the most important way. He stopped being afraid. That's what an income stack really gives you. Not just money, the removal of fear, the knowledge that no single event, no layoff, no market crash, no tariff war can take everything from you. So here's your 3-step action plan, built for people with real lives and limited time. Step 1, stabilize your foundation. Build a 3-month cash buffer. Use an app like YNAB or Monarch Money to automate your savings. Cut one unnecessary expense this week and redirect it. Small moves, real impact. Step 2, pick one stream and start it this week, not all 3. 1. If you like writing, start the blog. If you like researching and talking, start the faceless YouTube channel. If you have knowledge someone needs, build the digital product. Just start. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every time. Step 3, add layers as income grows. Once your first stream is generating even $100 to $200 a month consistently, add the second, then the third. The compound effect of multiple streams is real, and it builds faster than you think. The global economy is shifting in ways that haven't been seen in generations. Tariffs, trade wars, slowing growth, inflation creeping back. These are real, and if you're waiting for a politician, a central bank, or your employer to solve this for you, you might be waiting a long time. But you are not powerless. Every week on this channel, we test AI tools, map out automation workflows, and break down real income systems, specifically designed for busy people who don't have time to waste on things that don't work. No fluff, no fake gurus, just honest, practical, tested strategies. If this video opened your eyes, even a little, then I want you to do 3 things right now. First, hit subscribe, because the videos we're publishing are going to show you how to set up multiple income streams, manage finances better and smartly using AI tools. You sure don't want to miss them. Second, drop the word stack in the comments below. It tells me you watched to the end, and it helps this video reach more people who need to hear this message right now. Third, grab the free Income Stack Starter Checklist linked in the description. It's the exact plan I'd use if I were starting from zero today. It's free, it takes 5 minutes to read, and it might be the most valuable 5 minutes you spend this week. The economy does not have to decide your story. You do. And to make it even easier for you to take that first step, I've put together everything you need right in the description below. All the tools I mentioned in this video, every single one of them is linked down there for you. No searching, no guessing, just click, explore, and start building. And if you want to go even deeper on any of these topics, head over to the Income Stack Lab blog. The link is also in the description. We cover everything from AI tools and automation workflows to income strategies and personal finance systems, all written for busy people who want results without the overwhelm. I'll see you in the next one.